What's up, guys? It's your boy No Talk. I'm back here again with another rap. This rap is called Famous. Actually, it's called Super Famous. So, yeah. And this instrumental is completely free. When you're done, look below in the comments. You'll see the YouTuber you'll see his channel. So, only hope you like it. And yeah. And don't be afraid to like, comment, and please subscribe. Okay, let's go. Party, man, party. Super famous. It's gonna be a party once I have the pen. People heard my lyrics, then they drop dead. I'm hot like a furnace, these lyrics straight from hell. Now I tell you, I'm super famous. I'm super famous. The king is what I'm supposed to be. My lyrics are meaner than Judge Judy. Too much ice on the rollie. Just bought 3 Ferraris, straight from Italy. My nigga, my poet skills are holy. Yeah. I'm super famous. I'm super famous. It's gonna be a party once I have the pen. People have my lyrics, then they drop dead. Hot like a furnace, these lyrics straight from hell. Now I tell you, I'm super famous. I'm super famous. The king is what I'm supposed to be. My lyrics are meaner than Judge Judy. Too much ice on the rollie. Just bought 3 Ferraris, straight from Italy. My nigga, my skills are holy. Famous. Yeah. Okay, guys, so that's the song. Only hope you like it. As I told you, like, subscribe, and don't be afraid to comment. Peace.